Hey, welcome. All right, I want to show you, do a complete album walkthrough of my Flower Shop 6x8 binder album. This is a brand new collection from Simple Stories, and it is a Flower Shop collection. And I used the binder from Simple Stories, okay? And it's the one that has the bigger spine. I think the spine on it is 2 3/4, okay? All right. And so you can purchase the tutorial and it will have the construction videos in there. And it will be using my Facebook live classes where I'm going to be decorating this. So those classes will be put inside the tutorial. So there will be construction videos and decorating videos for you. Okay. All right. So here's inside the front cover. And I had the frames from the collection. And then I just done a little tuck spot for some tags. Okay. And they just tuck right in there and then your photo. So all the pages are different, but the aspect of each page with this flip out, each page has a flip out. Okay. So this flips over. Okay. And then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. So 2 pockets. Okay. And then this opens up. And I used a Martha Stewart punch to create this and then the little flowers that went with it. Okay. And then that flips open. Oh, this paper is so gorgeous. So then we have this here. This flips open, and I did have the rub-ons from the collection. So each page will have a pull-out. Okay. And I just glued 3 sides here. So that way I could tuck some tags in there to help tell the story. And then I used paper out of a kind of like a notebook, but it's pretty strong paper. So then I put my rub on, and I just scored it at 1/2 inch, and then that way it's underneath this paper right here. Okay. So each page has a pull out on the back side. Okay. So here again, I used another one of the frames from the collection. There is a pocket here. Okay. And I left it open so you could slide your photo in there. Then that flips, and then we have a nice place for a photograph. And then here, this flips open. Okay. And then this here. And then this flips up. And then this one does the same thing. So you can journal about your photograph that's here. And then this flips up as well. And then again, I just used a piece, Martha Stewart's punch there. Okay, and then that just floats down. And we flip this over. And then we have this pull out. And again, I used the rub-ons from the collection to decorate, to help tell the story. That way you have plenty of journaling space and photograph space. Because when you, it's always important to try and journal. So here I just collaged it with a frame and left it open. So then you have this here, and again, my Martha Stewart punch. And I used black for the photo mats and then craft for the construction. And then you have a belly band here. And it's not a full belly band. If I remember, oh, it is yep, it is a full. I lied. I lied. It is a full belly band. Sometimes I put a stopper here to where it's one here and one here. But I didn't do that on that one. So then here you have a pocket, and you have a pocket here. Oh, nope, it's a belly band. Sorry. I'm fibbing. So pocket, and then you have a nice belly band. Okay. Then that flips. And then here, I, just glued 3 sides so you could put some tags here to journal. Then that flips open. Use the stickers, and there's that flower for the Martha Stewart. Oh, and the rub-ons are just beautiful. Look at that. Just beautiful. And they just slide right back in here. Again, I done another frame, and that flips. And then this flips. And then this flips out. So you have that beautiful spread. Just gorgeous. Okay, and then that flips. And again, I just glued 3 sides, a couple of tags. And then that opens up. I'll tell you what, their rub-ons are just beautiful. Look at that. That's a rub-on here, but this is, from the bits and pieces. This is a gorgeous album. Okay, so then here you have 2 little pockets down here for some tags, and it keeps this all nice and tidy. So that flips up, and that flips up, and then you have a nice pocket here as well. Okay. Oh, such a beautiful collection to work with. Beautiful. And there is 6 pages in here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 pages. So then this opens up. Look at that. Beautiful. And that just flips right back in here. Now I left this one plain. And again, photo frame, one of the frames from the collection. And then this flips open. And then you have a pocket here, a pocket here. And then this flips open. Let me grab. So you have a belly band here on both one of these. And then this opens up. Beautiful. So then you have a pocket here as well. Okay. And I don't remember. When I flipped that, I didn't show you the inside of this. Because there's the back side. But yeah, when we done here, I just flipped it. But this flips and has that. And that's where this stuff comes from. Sorry about that. Then that. And I already showed you that. Yep. And we already done that. Flip through that. So then we're on the last page. And this flips out for this. Beautiful. So like I said, if you want to purchase this, you will get the construction videos. And then as soon as we get the Facebook Live classes done, I will be adding those as well. Now, this is our May project for my Facebook page. So starting, I think, May 5th, well, we're going to start decorating this. So I will put the classes in there for you. Okay. All right. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this flip through of this album. I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. If you don't like doing those hinges for mini albums, this is the way to go. I love creating these interactive pages that go inside binder albums. I think they make such a beautiful album. And I love how I I've done this in the Travel Galore 12 by 12 interactive pages. So I've done it in this one. I will link that one down below for the 12 by 12 Galore one that uses, it has these, and I just love how it just adds to the album. So if you have any questions, please put them down below. Other than that, this is all I have for you for right now. So we will see you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.